In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for videos in Google Drive. If you've ever spent too long scrolling through folders looking for a clip, this quick method will help you find every video stored in your drive in just a few clicks. First, log into Google Drive. On a computer, head to drive.google.com and sign in with your Google account. If you're already signed in, you'll land right in your drive, usually on the My Drive page. Give the page a second to load so everything is up to date. At the top of the page, look for the search bar that stretches across the toolbar. You'll see a magnifying glass icon on the left side. That's your main search field. We're going to use it, but instead of typing a keyword, we'll open the advanced options so we can filter specifically for videos. On the right edge of that search bar, click the Advanced Search button. Depending on your screen size or update version, it may look like a small slider icon or a downward arrow. Some interfaces label it as Search Options. Clicking it opens a panel or drop-down with extra filters that let you narrow down results without having to remember exact file names. Inside this panel, find the Type option. Open the Type drop-down and select Videos. This tells Google Drive to filter by video file formats such as MP4, MOV, and others, so you don't have to scroll past documents, slides, or PDFs. You don't need to fill anything else out for this to work. Leaving the keyword field empty is fine if your goal is to see every video you have. Now click Search. You can use the search button at the bottom of the panel or press Enter on your keyboard. Drive will run the filter and return only video files from your account. If you didn't type a keyword, you'll get a complete list of videos across your drive, making it easy to scan your collection. All video files in your drive will show up in the results. You'll notice thumbnail previews for many of them, which makes it quicker to recognize the right clip. If you don't see something you expect, confirm you're signed into the correct account and give the page a moment to refresh. On smaller screens, switching to a wider browser window can also make the search controls easier to spot. That's all there is to it. By logging in, opening the advanced search panel, setting type to videos, and running the search, you instantly surface every video in your Google Drive.